This movie, I'm going to show you how you can make JPEGs from your images in Lightroom. We're going to have to turn in JPEGs into Canvas. So I'm going to show you how to do that in case you've been shooting RAW. I did give you the option of just shooting with JPEG and turning those in straight out of camera because that's how I grade you anyway. But if you do have editing software like Lightroom and you want to go ahead and do that, well, here's how you're going to be able to turn it in. So first of all, select the images you got to turn in. I've already made sure I had my file names correct, so I can do this straight out of Lightroom. I've got two images selected right now. I'm going to click on Export, and then at the very top I'm going to go Export to hard drive. Export location, I'm going to pick the desktop, and I'm going to put in a subfolder. So I'll just call this Assignment 2, and this will be that for that assignment. It's going to be generic. We'll do this for the rest of the assignments this semester. So in the file name, I'm going to have renamed to file name. I'm just going to use whatever file name I did in Lightroom because I've already got that correct. Now, if you needed to change it, you could change it here, but I'm just going to leave it as is because I already did that. Here's what's different. Video we're going to leave alone, but file settings, the image formats can be JPEG, quality is 100%. Color space will be sRGB, that way it will appear best on monitors, so that's how we're going to be looking at stuff. Resize to fit. So I don't need anything super large when you're turning in stuff, and it might take a long time for y'all to upload them if you shoot super large. So here is a way that you could do that. You could go ahead and do this 2400 on the width and 2400 on the height, resolution 240. And that will look good on most monitors for our purposes. Sharpen for screen, amount standard, include all metadata. So that's what we're going to do when we turn in these files. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself a preset for this. I'm going to click add, and I'll call this JPEG exports for assignments. If you want to add like 210 or 207 after this, you can do that as well. It's going to be saved to my catalog here. And I'll click create. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and export those two. So I got my progress bar at the top left. And just so that you can see what happened, I'll shrink this down. And you can look and see it says it made a folder on my desktop called assignment 2. And then inside, here are the two files. One was horizontal, one is vertical, but they have the file names and everything else and all the information there. And that's how we'll do JPEGs if you didn't shoot JPEG to begin with.